Let's take a look at the principles to crack this exam. Fear of losing in competition. This is very important. Family क्या कहेंगे? Society क्या कहेगा? दोस्त क्या कहेंगे if I'm not able to crack? Let me give you one small piece of suggestion. Do not make this a pressure on your mind, because if this is a pressure, then you will break down under that stress. Make it a motivation that people around me will be happy if I am able to crack this examination. They want me to crack this examination, become a doctor, to serve the nation. Let this be a motivation that will keep you awake and studying. Have a plan B in place if needed. This is a very important thing. Most of us, we do not think what we will do if we don't get this exam. The competition is very high, I repeat again, and our life is precious to us. So you need to have a plan B. It can be anything. It can be pursuing a MBBS career outside of India, because there are many reputed colleges in UK, USA, Germany, and you can pursue anything else. But keep it in mind above everything, I have to get this exam. I have to crack NEET UG. Study discipline. Discipline is very important. Let me tell you something. Ever since I've started mentoring students after NEET, I get a lot of questions from students. Sir, should we give at least 1 hour, 2 hours to ourselves to do some texting, Facebook, Netflix? I tell them, no, not right now. These 2 years, 11 and 12, or till the preparation time for NEET, do not indulge in any distraction. However meritorious you are, however studious you are, do not indulge in distraction, because it will reduce your time and efficiency and disturb your focus. After NEET, there's a lot of time where you get to do all these. Discipline is extremely important. Hard work and smart work. Again, very important topics. Only studying for 24 hours, 20 hours a day, it is not possible for anyone. So we need to maximize the output. Smart work. You must have heard a lot about people talking about smart work. This is very important. As I said, maximum output with minimum input. This will help you reach the top 15%, the top 10% of all the students sitting for the NEET exam. And make a daily schedule for 15 days. Again, very important. I'll share with you a schedule that I've prepared later in the slide to help you get an understanding. जिस पे आप देख सकते हो, you can take a look at how आप prepare करोगे for NEET using a schedule. आपको schedule always follow करनी है for 15 days target. You will have a target कि 15 days अब से this Monday से next Monday तक I will be following the schedule, and then you can take a break for a day. ऐसा नहीं है कि entire day आप कुछ नहीं करोगे, but in a day, the day when you're following your 15-day routine, on the 16th day, whenever it is, you can take a 1 to 2 hour break. आप नींद पूरी कर सकते हो, क्योंकि you will not get enough sleep these days, and you can watch some Netflix. But I'd suggest you watch some documentaries, because related to medicine or related to biology or related to physics, क्योंकि आप देखोगे some questions will come for your NEET which are not exactly copybook type. They will be testing your knowledge, your concept. तो उसके लिए भी prepare करना है. Have your own strategy. ये देख के कोई यूज नहीं है कि मेरा दोस्त, मेरा कंपिटिटर, क्या मेरा सीनियर क्या कर रहा है, क्या किया था. यू नीड टू हैव योर ओन स्ट्रैटेजी. आपका खुद का प्लान, गेम प्लान, which will help you succeed. And it is good to have friends with similar aims. You need to be in a group where people are all focusing towards NEET, towards a competitive exam, because आप उनसे सीख पाओगे. In these 2 years or the time of your preparation, I'd suggest humility is a very big weapon, a very big quality बिकॉज इफ यू कैन अप्रोच, आप अगर किसी को अप्रोच कर पाओगे, फ्रेंड्स या सीनियर्स या फिर टीचर्स, कि सर मुझे इसमें डाउट हो रहा है, आप प्लीज मेरे को समझा दीजिए, आई डिड नॉट गेट द कंसेप्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, people will be there to help you. Your friends who are also preparing for NEET, they will try to help you understand something which you think you're weak at. I tell you, dear students, that it is extremely important you use all the resources that you're getting. आपको जहां भी जो भी resource मिलता है, please use कीजिए, because it will help you get through this tough time, through this NEET examination. Anything you get, जो भी resource हो, जो भी suggestion हो, जो भी solution हो, use it. एकदम आपके doubts clear कर लीजिए, क्योंकि when the NEET paper comes, you will have to be prepared from every single angle.